In this video, we'll walk through how to apply for the City of San Antonio's Outdoor Spaces Grant Program. Navigate to the left-hand menu and hover over Programs and Grants. Here you will see all available programs and grants, but for today, we will select the Outdoor Spaces Grant Program. You can scroll down on the page to where it says Apply Now. Once you click on that button, you will be brought to the application portal. If you are an existing user, you may log in here. If you do not have an account, click Sign Up. The registration form is available in both English and Spanish. Simply fill out the information required on this screen. Your first name, your last name, the name of your business, the FEIN for your business, the address street, city, state, zip code, and country. Your preferred email, which will automatically generate a username. Please do not change this. Your password must be 8 characters or longer and contain at least 1 letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. And here you can declare whether somebody else from your organization may work on completing the grant applications. Select yes or no and hit submit. Once your account is created, you will automatically be brought to the Open Grants page. And in this top right hand corner, you will see a button with which you can switch the portal to Spanish if you prefer to apply in Spanish. For the purposes of this video, we will switch back to English and navigate to the Outdoor Spaces Grant Program. You'll be asked if you would like to create an application, and then hit the next button. You'll be notified your application has been created. Hit the next button to begin. Here you will see each of the modules that must be completed as part of your application. Please take the time to read and understand the certification and acknowledgement statement. Once you are satisfied with the statement, you may scroll to the bottom and hit the I acknowledge and understand the above statements box, where you will then print your name and insert the current date before you hit save and close. The next block is your applicant information. You are required to submit proof of registration with either Bexar County or the Texas Secretary of State. Use the drop-down menu to select the correct NAICS code for your organization. Please note that those highlighted here are the only NAICS codes that qualify for this grant. Submit your total business income from your 2021 filed tax return, or if you're a sole proprietor, your gross income for the same period. Identify the number of employees filed on your 2021 tax return, and upload a copy of said tax return. There is a demographic question here. Please check all boxes that apply, or if you prefer not to answer, there is a checkbox at the bottom just before the save and close. In this section, you are asked to fill out information related to the property for which you are applying. You'll be asked to declare whether you own or lease the property. If you lease the space in which your property operates, you must identify the property owner as well as their contact information and upload a document showing that they understand that you are applying for this grant related to their property and that they are willing for you to do so. If you instead own the property, you'll be asked to declare when you purchased the property, and whether you own or rent, you must identify at which point your business began operating from the physical location for which you're applying. The date must be before January 1st, 2021 to qualify for this grant. Once that is complete, you can then move to the project information. Here is an opportunity to identify what you are looking to achieve with the grant funding. There is an optional upload for any relevant illustrations, pictures, drawings, etc. You are required to upload current photos showing the front, left, and right of the project area. Up to 5 files can be submitted. Once you have submitted those documents, you can hit done. In this table, you'll see a breakdown of several of the things that qualify for the grant funding. Simply fill in the amount relevant to each line item for the project that you are putting together. Once you have entered all relevant numbers, you can hit save. This pop-up will identify the total amount of money being asked for as part of your application. If that is correct, check the box and hit continue. You are required to supply at least 2 bids from licensed contractors that include line items for labor, materials, and/or an itemized list of proposed purchases and their costs. You must upload, as I said, at least 2 files, but you may upload up to 5. With your files uploaded, you will then be asked to nominate your project start date and anticipated project completion date. Please note that the entire duration of project should be no more than 6 months. On the next section, you'll be asked to advise how you heard about this grant program. Once that is complete, you can move to the electronic signature. If you agree with the statement above, please initial and write your full first and last name, which will serve as your signature. Once you have completed all of the modules, the submit button will illuminate. And once you hit the submit button, you will see that status now reflects submitted, and that's visible just below the Outdoor Spaces program title. If you navigate to the My Application section, you will see that the application is listed there, the program that you applied for, and the status of submitted.